Welcome student. Today I am going to take basic tools and concept in economics FY BCom semester 1. In economics analysis are based on looking for relevant cause and effect relations between different variables and then taking decision on the basis of the analysis. Some of the concept and tools are follows. First, opportunity cost. The opportunity cost would be the next best alternative than you sacrifice. Let's say chatting with the friends. So, in order to use your time resource for one activity, you have to forego another activity. This foregoing is opportunity cost of doing the activity you have chosen. Another tools, variables. A variable is a magnitude of interest that can be defined and measured. In other words, a variable is something whose magnitude can change or can take on different values. Variables frequently used in business economics are price, profit, revenue, cost, investments, etc. Another tools, functions. A function shows the relationship between two or more variables. It indicates how the value of one variable, that is dependent variable, depends on the value of one or more other, that is independent variable. It shows how the value of one variable can be found by specifying the value of other variables. Equation. The equation specifies the expression or the relationship between the dependent and independent variables. Another tools, graphs. Graphs are geometrical tools used to express the relationship between variables. Graphs are essential in economics because they allow us to analyze economic concepts and examine historical data. A graph is a diagram showing how two or more sets of data or variables are related to one another. Curves. The functional relationship between the variables specified in the form of equation can be shown by drawing lines in the graph. The lines depicts the relationship between the variables. Slopes. Slopes show us how fast or what rate the dependent variables is changing in response to change in the independent variable. Slopes can be straight line or curve line. Finally, intercept. The intercept is the point at which the line or the curve crosses the vertical axis. In other words, it is the height of the graph where the line crosses the vertical axis. Thank you.